I'm going to give you the minimum percentages of questions that's going to be asked on part A, B, and C of the CWI exam. Note that the percentages indicate the minimum required for each category in the examination. So A is the fundamental part, which is 10% welding processes, 6% heat control and metallurgy, 9% weld examination, 9% welding performance, 12% definitions and terminology, 10% symbols over welding and NDE, 8% over test methods, NDE, 6% reports and records, 4% duties and responsibilities, 5% is over safety, 4% destructive tests, 3% cutting, 2% brazing, and 1% over soldering. And like I said, this is the minimum required for each category. So let's go to part B, which is your book of specs. 28% going to be over procedures and welders qualifications, 8% over mechanical tests and properties, 34% welding inspection and flaws, 8% over NDE, 8% utilizations of specifications and drawings. Okay, the part C would be your book of choice, which we're going to do it over API 1104. So 10% is going to be over materials and design, 30% fabrication, 25% inspection, and 30% qualification. And you can also do it over D1.1, 1104, and these other ones down here, but most people do it on those two, API 1104 and D1.1. And again, note that these are the minimum number of questions required for each category. Thank you.